Hello, Bill McRae here. I want to talk to you about what you choose to promote, and here's why. Your list will put who you are, your name, will be permanently attached to the products you select to promote. Now, this is really an important thing to consider, and this is all part of extensive training I'm giving you now related to Bulletproof Email Solution. If you're doing email marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing with your own name, which you pretty much have to because of the way they're getting pickier and pickier about pen names, especially on something like Udemy, then you want to think carefully before you choose products to promote. Here's why. If you select a pyramid scheme, okay, I'm going to go back 4 years to Traffic Monsoon was the big thing. Everybody was making money and beating their chest about how they made $40 today, and all I did was click the mouse 3 times, and it was obviously a recruitment scheme. A recruitment scheme is basically you get paid for every person you put in the pot, and then he gets paid for the people he puts in the pot, and then the guy beneath him. And as long as everyone continues to recruit, the money accumulates upwards to the top of the pyramid. It's called a Ponzi scheme because sooner or later you get down to some weaker players. It's inevitable. They can't recruit enough to feed this entire upper structure. And the admins of that particular product or business opportunities, or what these are called, comes up with additional reasons and additional programs, and they juggle the stuff around and obfuscate it enough to where you continue to participate, maybe even put more money into it. And yet it has no hope. It's going to fail because if the second someone doesn't recruit, nobody in the middle who hasn't received any money yet, who's spending it, gets paid, and the admin top of the pyramid is the only ones that ever made any money on it. And I am shocked how many people fall for this, end up promoting this stuff. I would say this: the vast majority of the people who want to make money online fall for one of these business opportunity scams. And I know this because I promote for them. My solo ad business, the emails don't have my name on it. They're part of the business name, and it's not the same leads that I use for my affiliate marketing. It's completely different. It's a spectrum. Boom and boom. 2 different things to me. And I would never use my personal name on those emails because I don't have any faith in any of the products. Yet we're selling 10, 15,000 or more, up to 25,000 clicks per day for people doing business opportunities. Now, when you are promoting those things, and it's all part of a system to me, and it's all part of my solo ad platform, which is completely separate than my affiliate marketing thing, I just let that happen, and I have no relationship with the list whatsoever. I don't endorse anything that goes out the door. But in my email marketing that I do for my affiliate side, the whole bulletproof system, we're segmenting it, people into stuff, and we're adding videos into our email sequence. One of the reasons why I use Aweber for a lot of that. And we're asking them to join our social media sites. So I've become infinitely tied to the products that I'm promoting. Same thing with my YouTube promotion. When I'm doing YouTube promotions, guess what happens? They're looking at my face 9 times out of 10. So I'm not just going to promote any scammy thing out there because suddenly it's my name and reputation on the line. I would say my mom could find out about it, but she's passed away. But it is something you want to think about very carefully. This is why I like ClickBank. They don't have the scammier products. They have really good products for the most part. And they tend to be training products and maybe some simple systems and stuff that are fairly marketed properly so that they're not, made to sound like you're going to make $1 billion. Sure, some very good sales letters on ClickBank, and there's some high converting sales letters, and like the John Cristini product and a few other on there. They have made a lot of money because primarily they're really good products. It's okay to put your name on those things. It's okay to talk to somebody on a video about those things because they're good. They're worth it. So if you're getting new into this thing, you're building a list, and you think you're going to promote every cheesy BIZ OP that's around, think carefully what it really means to you. You can, if that's your way, and I know guys have made buttloads of money, but they know the admins of these plants. They get in at the top, and when it falls apart, they've made their money and they've pulled it out and they're doing fine. They're on to the next deal. So remember, whether you're YouTube marketing, email marketing, whatever, your name will be pretty well forever associated with what you choose to promote. So choose wisely.